An exclusive broadcast of your UAAP. Buds will score first for NU. What are your early expectations in this rematch, Neil?
Number one.
They were also a dominant team back in the day. We'll talk about that later. Nakahatak na naman si Mukaba.
Right now, the FEU blockers are a bit confused. Kung sino ba yung babantayan nila. The biggest piece, I guess, para manalo sila in game number 1.
Budin again with the left hand. This one is in again. This little kid has really grown up in front of the UAAP to 2. Better first ball there. Budin gets the checkout.
5 points already for Buds Budin.
Ancheta goes to the other side and Budin delivers again.
He will not be denied. Already with 6 points, leading all scorers. There are second stringers that can enter the game, pero iba pa rin kasi pag si Leo Ordiales yung gumagana for Coach Dante. So they will try really hard to activate him along the way. So far, Buds Budin has been leading the pack with 7 points.
Yun yung sinasabi natin. The puntos is there. Ordiales will try to send it over safely. Cacao will reverse. It's back with FEU. Cacao to Espartero with the left hand. Time for NU to refocus on their offense. One more time for Ancheta. Put in from behind. Parang ang baba pa nung pasa, Neil, pero ginawa ng paraan.
Ganun na ganun yung gusto ni Buds Budin. He enjoys low, fast sets from all sides of the court.
Yeah, in American volleyball, they call that a big play as opposed to a traditional. He felt like there was really more distribution with the team in the off-season training. Pero alam natin kakayahan niya. Alam din natin kakayahan ni Buds. Saan man sa court. 9 points for the 4-time champion, delivering from behind.
And unofficially, I think 3 free points were given to NU from the service line of FEU.
Oo! Nailusot pa ni Budin yun.
I don't know how he does that.
Ang hirap nun. Well, let's look at it at a replay. Look at the distance and then the triple block in front of him. Budin getting ready. And again, you need a point. He gives you one. That's his 12th.
They've been trying different angles to redirect that ball.
Another great setup for Tagibolos, who really drew the defense there and wide open for Micaelo Budin.
Once you jump against Frank Tagibolos, napalo na ni Buds Budin yung bola because the set placement is...
Jade being the target again. Gapultos this time picks it up. Budin this time makes sure that he gets the point. 14 for the 4-time champion.
Ang bilis din ng recovery. Yes, he committed.
Skitado gets this one. Budin. Collision between him and Mendoza.
There's a check. Called by the first referee. Point will go to NU.
Saavedra, Doug, Ordiales goes behind the self-cover, and a chance ball will go to National U. Ordiales again, coverage for NU, Disquitado to Budin. Budin puts it away, and a 3-point lead for National U.
Defense is now kicking in. Jay Disquitado doing his best as their sweeper, getting the digs against the attackers of FEU. It's like their handoff. Jade the swing.
Ang ganda ng turo ni Ancheta kay Disquitado, and then eventually he goes to Budin. And I think Budin is looking at the bench because he might have 15th fifth setter of the year, and NU gets the first point. Make that the first 2 points. Budin says my calf is fine.
Anong cramps?
Wala
I don't
naman,
feel it.
wala naman daw at its heaviest, especially in the context of a game number 1 of the finals. Saavedra is blocked again! Budin with 2 blocks, and again he just dismisses the calf pain that he is feeling. Look at this.
2 single blocks
Opa.
against the veteran of FEU.
Ancheta adjusts to Budin, and Budin gets it through.
Off the block.